CO.LAB's Inclusive by Design workshop series would foster an empowering environment where students and teachers are co-creators of knowledge. CO.LAB's mission is to support innovators of color, the queer community, women, and other underrepresented groups regardless of financial situation by providing a safe, inclusive, free makerspace. In the Austin area, there are many opportunities for younger students to engage in maker-centered learning. Unfortunately, once students enter high school, access to meaningful making is far less common, especially in underserved communities. An Infy Maker Award would help us provide maker-centric learning experiences and on-site support for Title I high school students and their teachers for a full school year. Through collaborative design and making, underserved students will learn new skills, form relationships, and see their teachers as models of lifelong learners. CO.LAB Community Makers, inclusive by design.